Hey fam, just sitting out here on the porch, just getting some vitamin D and listening to the sounds of the birds. The birds, you hear them? They're all over there in that tree. Yes, I would say that spring is here. Spring is here. They just talking and singing. They're letting me know spring is here. I've got to get my seedlings planted. But I usually sit out here and ground. I take my shoes off and put my feet right there on the grass. But the last time, shoot, I was just minding my own business, and this fire ant marched up and decided to bite my toe, like I was in his way or something. So, I snatched him off. Thank goodness he didn't have a chance to insert any of his venom. But I'm going to have to find another place to ground, yeah. But anyway, just checking in. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Life is just too beautiful, too precious, and too short in this 3D plane. You get to enjoy it. Enjoy every moment. You do get to complain. You do get to look for the problems, but I don't know. It's a better use of my time to look for the beauty. And I see it all around me. Have an excellent day. You are loved, you are a blessing, and you are blessed. Till next time.